Patient today, we see typical signs of aging. We see the nasolabial folds. So we're going to be injecting just medial to the nasolabial folds for softening. And we can see a also typical pattern of the nasolabial folds coming down to become the Marionette rhytids here, these deep rhytids. So we're going to do some injections of these moderate to deep rhytids with Revanesse Versa, and we're going to demonstrate the technique and also show the results. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, you ready to see this?
Yes.
Okay, take a look.
Ooh,
Yeah.
nice.
See how I just soften the nasolabial, soften the corner of your mouth there. It just makes you look, a little bit softer.
Yeah, thank you.
My pleasure. You did really good. So you shouldn't have too much bruising or swelling.
Okay,
So.
thank you.
Okay, yeah, of course. My pleasure. All right, my dear. We'll see you soon. Thank you.